Hi, how many sides do you see in this strip of paper? Two, right? Pretty obvious, front and back. Or is it? What if I told you that I can change the fabric of reality or something similar to it with this strip of paper? Yes, by the end of this video, you'll see that this strip of paper will have only one side and a continuous edge. No tricks. What I require is just a pair of scissors and a tape. That's about it. And I can show you that this strip of paper has only one side and a continuous edge. Have a good look at this piece of paper. How many sides do you see? Two, right? It's pretty obvious, front and back. Now, let me mark one side as X and the other side as O. Now imagine a small insect like an ant walking across one of the surfaces of the paper, say at side of O. If it wanted to go from O to X, of course it will have to go over the edge and go to the other side. But what if I give it a twist of 180 degrees? So I'm going to join two ends and join it with a 180 degrees twist. Right here. Okay, like this. That's it. In fact, let me even further secure it by taping the other side. Yes, like this. That's about it. Now this piece of paper has folded the fabric of reality. Now if I put my pencil at say mark X, and let's see what happens if I keep proceeding forward without lifting the pencil. And then back to X. What does this mean? It means that if an ant were walking along the line center of this loop, it will be going from X to O without having to go over the edge. Means that this strip has now only one surface and a continuous edge. Mind blown, right? Means we have changed what we thought was reality. Let's do another experiment with this Möbius strip. I'm going to cut through the center of this strip and let's see what happens. And wow, it's still one strip, but there are two twists in it. That's it. Now if you try to do this with a simple loop, I'm pretty sure you'll get two loops. Yep, I'm 100% sure, but not with this. As if this loop is laughing at us. It's saying that try how much you can, but you will never be able to figure me out. And let's perform another experiment with this strip of paper. Again, I'm going to give it a twist of 180 degrees and join the two sides. Okay, yep, like this. Now okay, let me join the other side also. All right. Now instead of cutting through the center of the strip, I'm going to cut near to one side. So say at this side, I'm going to give it a cut. And wow. Yes, I've got a chain with a bigger loop and a smaller one. Again, the loop is not letting me, cut it in a normal way. Okay, this humble strip of paper, mathematicians call it as Möbius strip, named after August Möbius, who invented it in 1858. Now think of two objects, like a cup and a donut. Now, how their holes are shaped, they fall under same category. There's a different field in mathematics for that called topology, but essentially in topology they are same thing. But this in itself is a whole new class. Now you might say, okay, cool paper experiment, but what's the point? Well, it is something big, not just with paper. It has some practical examples. Now go into any factory that has, a conveyor belt. Chances are very high that you will see it shaped like this. Why? Because it gives a lot more surface to play around. So the wear and tear is evenly distributed at both sides and thereby increasing the longevity of the conveyor belt. Not just that. Have you ever seen the symbol of recyclable bin? Those three arrows that looks like looping around forever? Yeah, that is a Möbius strip, or that is based on this Möbius strip. And that raises some profound and philosophical questions. Now, we have seen what a Möbius strip can do, but think about it in a bigger perspective. Zoom out and think of this at the scale of universe. We have taken an object from 3D world, given it a simple twist, and it is now challenging our understanding of reality. Think what would happen if universe is shaped like this. We mini creatures may be, traveling at the surface of the universe, thinking that is infinite, but really is just finite things shaped like this. Or what if we think of universe in higher dimension? This could be that universe is shaped something similar to Möbius strip that we don't know, like the Klein bottle. And what is the meaning of front and back? It could be our perspective, our limited view in 3D world that something has front and back, but in higher dimension, everything could be having one surface, only front or only back. Thanks for watching.